In this tutorial, I'm going to make a back plate for the model. So right now I have obviously the front, but I'm going to make a copy and it'll be for the bottom portion, because the bottom portion and the top, they connect. For example, this front and the rear, looks like they pretty much sandwich, and it sandwiches these paddle shifters. Yeah, see. Well, actually, there's two layers, this one and this one. But regardless, I'm gonna try to do that, making the back plate. So here we are. First thing I'm gonna do is make a copy of these two. Right, I'm gonna make a copy. So I'm gonna do Control D as in David, Control D, and with that set up, I'm going to look here, which says Isolate Select. Again, that's Isolate Select. I've been using that a whole lot. It's very useful. I'm gonna click it, and it looks like nothing happened, but it's on. See, Isolate Perspective. I'll grab these. I'm going to Mesh, Combine, and it made this usual garbage. Almost like all of it. I'm gonna delete history, and finally I'm gonna get rid of these two. Here's the leftover. I'm gonna name it back plate, and I have my slider on, so I'll go to my modeling toolkit, transform constraint off. I had it on for another student. So anyway, what I'm showing is that it is not merged, combined, the vertices. So we have to go in, I'm gonna just select all of it. I have 1536 total. Shift right click, merge vertices, merge vertices. There you go. So we reduced it by a lot. Just double check. Press F to frame. Alright, it's clean, clean, clean. Yeah, we're good. So, okay, this is the back plate. What I need to do is, unfortunately, there's a whole lot of work I need to clean up. So this is what I'm gonna do. So select it and turn on your symmetry, Object X, Object X. And in order for the symmetry to work, we have to make sure that this cut line down the middle is there. Just making sure, because I believe you'll use this to coordinate the symmetry. Object X. And I'm going to just carefully come in here and be in edge mode, holding the right mouse button, edge. I'm going to just literally click and drag like that. And then I'm going to do shift, right click, delete edge. And I made sure to still maintain these, my railroad tracks. Right, see, my railroad tracks. And I'm gonna grab these. I'm gonna press G as in George. Carefully grab these. G as in George. Grab these. G as in George. G as in George. Over here, these I can leave on. Right? Yeah, I can leave those on because wait a minute. 1 second. Yeah, I'll leave these ones alone for now. Yeah. Reason why is they're clean. And yeah, and here, I think I'll leave alone up to here. I wanted to subdivide it later because it's stretching. But this part I have to be, I have to kind of nitpick at it. So I'm gonna look underneath. I'm gonna pause the video for a moment. So what I'm going to do is, again, go back into edge mode. Spacebar. I'm gonna go in here. And I'm gonna just carefully see. I'm gonna zoom in some more. Right, here's my front view, and I'm gonna drag and do this. Don't go up to here, go to here. Reason why is that it selects all these dug in, these extruded in edges, and I want to grab all of these too. So I'm gonna hold control, also hold shift, turns the cursor into a plus sign, drag and go up to here, select that, move it over, control shift, drag, go up to here. Just to make sure. So I got all those bottom ones. Then I'm gonna try to see if I can grab this. I'm gonna hold shift, select that, and come down. Ooh, I'm over here at the midline. I'm gonna zoom in carefully. I'm gonna deselect that. Reason why is this my mid down the line cut, and I don't think it's a good idea to get rid of it. This guy right there. I'm gonna hold control, just the control. It'll deselect. I'm gonna hold control, deselect. I don't want to get rid of this cut line down the middle. Same thing over here. Zoom in. Right, here's my back and my right. Hold control, click. Hold control, click. My camera's acting up on me. I have to hold control, click. Alright, so from here, I should be able to shift right click, delete edge. Okay, so look what it's doing. I want to control Z, but it shouldn't have killed it off. Why did it kill it off? Huh. You know what? I'm gonna just go ahead and do it. Right? Delete edge. I didn't change anything. I just undid it temporarily. I'm gonna delete edge. So I did that. Kinda. Alright. So I left behind some garbage, which is fine. I'm looking here. Just turn right there. See? Ooh, what the hell? I missed something. I'm gonna undo. What did I just freaking miss? Wait, I wanna just turn this off for a bit. Do I have a... Huh. I'm just double checking if I have any hidden edges. I have one. Ah, give me a break. One. What the hell? Okay, so undo. Okay, I'm back to here. Right? Where I was, where I deselected my little down here. Right? So I'm just back to where I was again. I'm just investigating the situation. Shift, right click, delete edge. Same thing I did before. I'm gonna just redo it again. Okay, I'm back here. And when I look underneath, Yeah, so I don't like this. Obviously I gotta fix it. I'm going to vertex mode, press F to frame into it. I'm looking at it. So this is odd. So this is just a little glitch. I'm going to shift right click, right? Merge vertices. I'm in vertex mode. And I'm going to use a target weld. Again, that's from here, merge vertices. Still holding onto it, target weld. And that'll just, I'm looking underneath. And I'm going to click. I click on it, turns into a yellow circle, right? So what I did was I just clicked onto it. I am holding onto it. Now is where it's gonna get interactive. I'm gonna just click and drag it to there, or drag it to there, whichever. Maybe I'll drag it to here. Who knows? Who cares? Let go. So that fixed that. Spacebar, spacebar. I'm gonna look from my front view. If I have anything weird going on like that. What is this? Oh, never mind. I grabbed the wrong thing. Yeah, here's my back plate. This is here because I don't have my isolate select option checked on, so it's still saying these guys. But this, no issues. So let me turn on isolate select just so I don't confuse. See, we're fine. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna grab this, right? This edge. I'm in edge. Shift. If I do shift right click, delete edge, it's not gonna work. Oh, it does work. The last time it didn't work, so fine, whatever. Yeah, so that's the back plate. Hence I named it back plate. I'm gonna do Control Alt S, increment and save. I need to delete my history. That way it doesn't corrupt my file. So this is our back plate. What I need to do is I need to reverse it, because right now it's sticking bottom this way up the skin. I have to invert the skin so it pokes down, right, bottom. So I select it and I'm gonna go mesh display, reverse. All right, good. Right, there you go, see? And since I reversed it, looking underneath, and you know what? Before I do that, I'm gonna go back, right? Before I reversed it. There, okay. But we're gonna reverse it, but later on. I'm looking from the front, right? The back, front, down. So I just undid the reversing of the skin. The reason why is I'm looking here, trying to see if there's anything I can touch up before doing the reverse. You know what? This area, I take that back. I'm gonna grab these, right? Press 4, these guys, and I'm gonna go. I'm holding Control and Shift. I am in edge mode, so I think I want to delete these after all. Right here, these guys. The first 4 stack. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see this? That I'm gonna leave. These guys, see this? How I call it, railroad tracks, right? I'm gonna keep that. These I'm gonna get rid of. So I'm holding Control and Shift. I'm holding Control and Shift. And then I'm not selecting this line. I wanna keep that. But everything else I am selecting. See? I am not selecting that. I am not selecting that. So shift right click, delete edge. Please don't give me a problem. Alright, good. There's one little garbage piece. I'm gonna just press the backspace. Good. I'm gonna hold the right mouse button, vertex, and I'm checking for any leftover floating vertices. Like this one is a floating vertice. Right? So I select it. I'm gonna just press the backspace. I repeat, press the backspace. Okay, good. I'm gonna do an incremental save. Control Alt S. From here, right click face mode, select it, and 1 second. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna actually stop the video at 15 minutes. Yeah, I'll just stop at 15 minutes. I'm gonna make another one where I finalize this and clean this up. Basically, I need to do some prepping to make it a suitable backplate. Yeah, to close these open-ended faces, this big chunk right here. So that will be the next video, and I'll leave it like that. Yeah, okay.